Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Rich here on this Thursday morning. It is the 17th day of September. We're always going to remember the 16th day of September, aren't we? Sally did more to Alabama and Northwest Florida than anybody envisioned a few days ago. I'm sure you've seen pictures of the damage. I was just down there for 4 days. Some parts of the coast were profoundly affected, and that's just the wind damage. As you know, this was a prolific flooding event for Sally, and we're going to see some of the lingering showers today. In fact, it's raining on me as I talk right now. The center of tropical depression, Sally, is located 50 miles that way, 50 miles southeast of Montgomery as I make this at 4 o'clock in the morning and heading into Georgia later. We will talk about the lingering effects. We'll also talk about some really nice air for the weekend. Very comfortable stuff. First, let me give you a sense of some of the rainfall that was associated here in Alabama with Sally. Kind of a crude map, but just to give you an idea of some Doppler radar estimates, you get southwest of Montgomery into Lowndes County, up to 8 inches of rain there, 9 inches closer to Greenville. Pike County is a mess, anywhere from 10 to 16 inches of rain, and they still have a lot of problems down there. 20 inches just southwest of Andalusia, a foot around the Wiregrass, and 25 to 37 inches down on the coast of 3 feet of rain. Unbelievable rains from Sally. The Montgomery Airport had 4.5 inches of rain early this morning at 4 o'clock. The center is now 50 miles southeast of Montgomery, moving towards the Georgia border, and then out of the state later on today, moving northeast at 12 miles per hour. Still some lingering effects from the outer circulation around tropical depression, Sally, now, with some scattered showers in the forecast for today. All the heavy rains, of course, going into the Carolinas and Georgia, and that's where the severe weather threat will be. So a risk of showers today, sure. High around 80, tonight's low 69. Winds not as strong today, northeast 10 to 15, gusting as high as 20. Tomorrow there could be some isolated showers left over. I think it's a comfortable day with a high temperature up around 80. There is some activity in the Gulf that we need to watch. In the southwestern Gulf, there's a low pressure area and a tropical invest. We'll talk about it in a little while. Could be a couple of widely scattered showers around the area Saturday, but temperatures will be comfortable over the weekend with highs in the upper 70s, lows at night around 60. And I think as we get closer to Monday, we'll take rain out of the forecast altogether with mostly sunny skies and comfortable temperatures, and still that low in the southwestern Gulf, which we'll talk about in just a second. So a small rain chance on Friday and Saturday remaining, with temperatures very nice over the weekend. Look at that, upper 70s, and lows on Sunday morning down to around 61, maybe some upper 50s on Monday and Tuesday morning. Pretty incredible stuff. Now, Invest 90L is out there in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. It looks like it's just going to meander, but it could become a tropical depression or maybe even a tropical storm. The only name left is Winfred right now. Meanwhile, we have Teddy as a major hurricane out there. We have Vicky as a tropical storm. Another Invest out there in the tropical Atlantic. So things are still busy in the tropics. It's been quite a year, as you know. Hey, one more look at that disturbance 90L in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Obviously, the models don't know what to do with it. It just kind of meanders around, and it's very confusing. I'm not too worried about it, but because of what just happened, we're going to be watching it carefully. Invest 90L in the southwestern Gulf. Just a staggering amount of damage down there. I'm still looking at pictures that are coming in from Gulf Shores and Orange Beach and Pensacola. Oh, my gosh. Some of the damage is just shocking. It'll take time, but Alabama will come back. And what a year 2020 has been. I mean, we had Laura just a few weeks ago there on the Louisiana coast, and now another major situation here in Alabama. Live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, live on CBS and ABC 32 as well. And another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Have a good day today. Things are going to get better.